Hey, this is Glenn, and I want to show you very quickly how to set up courses. It's fairly simple, but some people might not find it simple. Basically, once you log into your dashboard, I'll take you back to the dashboard. You're going to see the dashboard here. You're going to go to Sites and Funnels. Once you get into Sites and Funnels, you'll see courses here on the left side. You click on Courses. Once you're in the courses section, you hit new course in the top right, and you can start with a blank course, meaning you're building everything from scratch. A basic course will have some modules, some lessons already pre-built in, and a nested course I have not messed with yet, but I just want to show you the basics. I'll probably do a different video on that one. Matter of fact, let's see. Let's venture in. Let's see what a nested course looks like. Test. And this is a test. Let me do. So this is supposed to be a nested course. You have to select a theme. It goes the same as if you're doing a blank, but pretty much you want to create your own theme for your course. This one, we just have one theme available, so that's what we're going to go with. And you want a thumbnail image, then you hit create course. And that's pretty much how you create a course in terms of what's inside of the course. That is what we're about to find out as soon as it loads. So this is a nested course, but I want to see what is all. So it has 18 lessons, 6 modules. So I'm thinking 3 modules and 3 lessons. So you have modules, 1, 2, 3 lessons. So each module has a lesson. So this is a very big course, if you will. So you have the lessons. Let's see what the content looks like for the lesson. So keep in mind that these squiggly things on the side are the generic, not the generic, but universal content holders. So this information is going to be updated on the client facing side or the public side of the course. So we have the modules, lessons. So you can edit each individual lesson. This is okay. Personally, I would like to set up my own, but that is how you create a big course. I'm going to go back and create a sample course just so you can see it done from scratch. So I'm going to go all the way back. So let's do a challenge. A challenge will probably be like a 5-day course. So I'm going to show you guys how to build out a 5-day challenge. So let's do 5. So that's the course title. I don't know why it's giving me prompts. Join this challenge. Join this. I don't know why it didn't work on the first time around. 5-day challenge. It's going to ask for a theme. You could leave the default system theme selected or change the theme. You can modify your default system theme by going to settings and themes. Add thumbnail. I don't know why it's walking me through that, but it won't let you start a course without a theme. So I don't know why they prompted you all the way through that, but you have to select the theme. The only theme I have available for this particular workspace is one for a client. So I'm just going to use it. And then we're going to hit create course. Once you're inside the course creator, now you have to actually add modules, add lessons. So I'm going to hit add modules. And pretty much this is the start of building your course. So module 1 is going to be day 1 challenge. I'm going to leave that blank for now. And then I just created a module. So inside the module, you'll have the lessons. So I'm going to add a component, which is a lesson, and the lesson will fit inside the module. So I'm going to put overview well, let's go with I'm gonna put day 1 onboarding. The reason I'm changing it is so we don't use up the URL space, and I want to make it distinct to this challenge since it's just a test. So I'm going to create a lesson. So now I have a module, which is the module will hold the lesson. So you have modules and lessons. Module is a big, broad net, and the lesson is what's inside of the net. So I can go here and I could edit the settings. I'm going to edit the content for the purpose of this video. I want to keep it very simple. So at default, you have the logo, you have the title, the lesson content. So let's plug some things in here. So we're going to go down to stacks, footers, featured section, team sections, content sections, navigations. There should be a spot where you have the course section, library header, frequently content, general section, navigation. All right, so I'm not finding what I'm looking for at the moment. I'm not finding what I'm looking for at the moment, but pretty much it's just like an actual page. So I can select the full width, and then I can add a column, 2 columns. I'll do 1 column. Inside the column, now I'm getting, so we have course lesson. So you have the name, the URL, image, audio, video, publish date, collections. I just want a video. Okay, we have a video that was inserted. And that's all I really want. I could add another element, put some navigation. So let's see, publish date link. I'm going to put a link. This is day 1 onboarding. So yeah, that's basically it. But you add your YouTube video, or if you actually have the having a brain fart, help me please. But you put in the URL, lazy loading, background corner. All right, so I'm not seeing what I want to see. What I'm looking for is where do you put the actual where do you place the actual video inside of this container? It might be set up differently, which sucks. But in this section, there's a lesson video. You might have to set up your lesson videos separately, but pretty much that's how you edit a lesson. Let's see, that's a default page. I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board and see if, so let's see, video settings, expand the video settings. Okay, so now we're cooking with grease. So you have to upload the actual videos, audios that you want for the lesson, which that could be annoying, but I guess you'd have to get used to it, I'm assuming. But pretty much you want to whatever add whatever content you want. So once you're on the courses page, you're going to go to the day that you want to edit, and you're going to select or add. I don't have any videos uploaded, so you would upload a video, whatever your content is, and it will go to this content settings section. I'm going to leave that alone for right now because, again, I don't have the information to actually put into the lesson, but that is how you'd add like your videos and stuff like that. I'm going to build it out some more, get more familiar with actually building courses inside of ClickFunnels, but basically once you get the courses, hit new course, you will have everything you need to have. I recommend starting off with a blank one simply because you don't, unless you really already know how many modules and lessons you're going to have, I would say add them as you need them versus having to go back and remove them. So new content, blank course, select your theme, and you'd have to update or add any audio, video files to each section. Again, to add your audios and videos to the section, you would go to the modules, you would go to the lesson, and then you would hit edit settings. Once you edit the settings, you're going to see the video, audio section, and the thumbnail for the actual lesson. So, sorry for taking you guys on the long path. I'm learning just like most of you are learning as well, but that is how you create a course inside of ClickFunnels 2.0.